Hi Blender fans, I added the feature Intersect for Boolean modifiers to my add-on carve, which I want to show you here, and some other additions as well. For demonstration, let's create a very simple shape. I start with a plane, then add some edge loops and bevels, and finally a bit of thickness by using the solidify modifier. Okay, now let me show you the usage of Boolean intersect, especially when it is not applied directly. I add a simple cube, then scale it up, and then I press Ctrl B to add bevels for these two edges. Alright, and then I activate the intersect operator for this object, and as you can see with pending modifiers, you can adjust the shape till you are happy with the result. You can move the object or scale it, and when you want to apply the modifier, you just press apply pending. Then I press delete to get rid of the helper object, and also use sharp and bevel for sharp and crisp edges. Okay, now let's cut a hole into this object, but I'm not going to use a simple cylinder. I will extrude the top part first, scale up the upper ring, and then use a pending difference boolean to get a live preview of the resulting edge of this hole. Great, then I apply the pending modifiers again and reapply sharp and bevel, and then sharpen the edges a bit more by decreasing the width. Okay, looks nice, and after that I add again a cylinder. And here comes another feature. I want to cut into this new cylinder, so I have to define this as target object. This can be done now easily. You just select the object in object mode and choose selected to target. And now I go ahead and add a second cylinder with 5 vertices only, and I use this one to cut into my first cylinder. For the cut I use difference, and again I don't check apply immediately to get a live preview. Okay, then apply and sharpen and adjust the sharpness of the edges. Okay, another small addition is applying the scale for an object before sharp and bevel. When you scaled an object in object mode, this could lead to unpredictable behavior, for example when adding bevels. I mentioned this mismatch in a video some time ago, so be aware of this when scaling in object mode. Here you can see it also after adding a bevel modifier. You really get bad distortions here at the edges. So what I did in the add-ons code, you can see it here, is to apply the scale before adding the bevel modifier, so that you don't get these effects anymore if you forgot to apply it. So let's bevel again with my changes active. And here you can see the bevels are nice and clean, and you can also add a normal bevel for the edge without getting distortions. So guys, these are the new features, more will follow. The add-on is for free and will always be available for free, but perhaps you think about supporting me on my Patreon. This would really help me in the further development. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you soon.